Hello friends, welcome to the new video of React.js. So today we are going to learn about the state. So let's have a look. State is basically a built-in React object that is used to contain data. You can see that we have initialized with the sum about the data. Okay, setting the default state. So this we have set. This is the initialization. This is the default state of the title. Okay, so this is the default state of a component. You can see that the title is default. Okay, and how to assess this state with the help of this dot set dot state dot title. If you go and check this one, so currently whatever the state initialization is, this dot state dot title. Got it? Moving to the next part, we have okay, assessing that state with the help of this dot state dot whatever the value of this one title. Correct? Moving to the next part is like mutating the state. If you were thinking that I'm going to add like this dot state dot title equal to like this can never be done. Okay, a state should never be mutated by using this. You can't do that like in the handle change I will just assign this title to be a new variable, something like this dot state dot title equal to this one like this. You can't add like this one, this dot state equal to title equal to this one est. Okay, if I'm going to add like this, what happen? Clicking on it, nothing happens because that will not gonna be like the state. If I'm going to comment this one, okay, reload this, okay, clicking on this, nothing happens. That cannot be state cannot be mutate. Okay, you can see that. So a state should never be mutated by using like this one. Got it? Instead you should use set state. So you can see that I have used the set state. So whatever value that I want to set, I will use that function inbuilt of the React function, that is set state. So whenever I click on that, where is our browser? Okay, when I click on this, state is changed. Whatever the data this state now contains, it is changed now, right? So this how you can change that state. Okay, moving to the next, we have set state we have done. Why should always use set state? The reason is that using this method, React knows that the state has changed. Okay, and they will start the series of events that will lead to the component being re-rendered along with the DOM update. Okay, next, we have a unidirectional data flow. A state is always owned by one component. If you're thinking like this is the one component and you will pass the state to another one and doing something like this, not possible. A state is always owned by one component. Any data that is affected by this state can only affect its component. So you can see that it affects only its component. When I click on that, only that state is changed and it is affected by that component only. Changing the state on a component will never affect its parent. Okay, if you're changing the state of a component, it doesn't affect any of its parent. Okay, so this is the full-fledged tutorial summary of, you can say, a short video on that, the what is state, how to use it, how to set the state, how to get the state. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, but don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.